DAS project management. In this section, we'll learn about different milestones and phases relevant and important for DAS project management. By this time, a lot of the terms and phrases I'll use will be quite familiar to you, so we should be able to glide through this chapter pretty easily. However, you will see repetitions of this content in this chapter, although they will be from project management perspective. Please consider these repetitions as a review of the earlier materials. As we have discussed before, there are 5 phases of DAS deployment. For this slide, I will lay out estimated timeline it may take in each phase for approximately 250,000 square feet of building or campus. First one is survey and engineering. This involves signal and building surveys. Data collected from survey is then used for developing the engineering plan, materials list for the DAS. Deliverables from this phase is construction-ready documents. This may take somewhere from 2 to 4 weeks. Second one is the actual DAS construction. This will involve electronics, cable, antenna installation, and testing. This may take somewhere from 6 to 8 weeks. Construction is then followed by commissioning and integration. This involves further testing of DAS, uploading of all RF parameters into the electronics, and then integration of signal sources into the DAS. Throughout this phase, optimization takes place so that we can extract the best performance of DAS. This is the phase when we make the DAS operational and start carrying voice and data traffic. Commissioning and integration can take somewhere between 2 to 4 weeks. Now, one assumption I'm making here is that the installation of signal sources will be completed by the time we are ready to accept signal into the DAS. Installation of signal sources is a project by itself, but I have not shown, and that's why I have not shown that here as a separate phase, because you will have to depend on the operators to bring and install their signal sources. Closeout package. This is, as the name indicates, collection of all deliverables of the first 3 phases. We, as DAS integrator, usually ask for 1 to 2 weeks from the customer to compile the closeout packages. And finally, maintenance is the last phase. If the DAS is built correctly, this usually becomes the easiest phase. In the next few chapters, we'll go through all of these phases in greater details.